I am making a cherry fudge recipe. So I've got my frosting and my chips. This is just cherry frosting. Okay, now we're gonna put this in the microwave and melt it. Okay, while that is melting, I have my half a sheet of parchment paper. Now, if you wanted, you could just leave it plain. But for this one, I'm gonna put a chocolate top on, so I'm gonna melt my, I've had this, I made too big of a batch of fudge for my other cherry mash. So this is just a half a package of semi-sweet chocolate chips and a half a can of sweetened condensed milk, and it already melted, so I'm gonna remelt it since it's set up just a little bit. Now, I am going to put this in the refrigerator and let it set up, and then we will cut it. Oh, yum. This is my chocolate cherry fudge. You want a small piece or a big piece?
Sure. Ooh. Oh, that's really good. Was that strawberry?
That is cherry.
Cherry.
Just a different kind of cherry.
Mm.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it.